Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Concept Learning. This is Vasagya. So, what have we done in our previous class? Yeah, we have done the problems of board exams, right? Well, so now in this class, what are we going to do? We are going to discuss the problems of previous year JEE Main advanced problems. Okay, so before doing that, I have left you all in my previous class with a homework problem, right? So, have you all tried that problem? If you have not got the solution of the problem, now I'm going to discuss with you. Okay, so let us see what is it. What is the question? Find the equation of the plane passing through the intersection of the two planes. So the two planes are given, and through the line of intersection the required plane is passing. That is one clue. And the other one is and parallel to the line. So the required line is also parallel to this given line, that is x is equals to 2y is equals to 3 set. Okay, so that is thing. So now how do we do this problem? So at first, what are we going to do? We are going to imagine the problem and put it on the board, right? So what is it? Two planes are there and there's a line of intersection, and through that the required plane is passing. Let us draw that. Okay, so this is one plane and this is the other plane. Okay, so this is the line of intersection and this is the required plane. Okay, that is the required plane. Okay, we are done now. So, at first, what are we going to do? So, if they give you two equations, then how do you find the line of intersection? That is changing the unsymmetrical form of a line to symmetrical form. We have already learned this previously, right? So, if you have not watched that video, that is, we have did it in 3D Geometry Part 3. So, if you have not watched that video, quickly check in the description box below. I have put the link. So, check in that and then you will know how to find the line of intersection of two planes. Okay, that is changing the unsymmetrical form of a line to symmetrical form. So if you change, how do you get the equation of the line? That is x minus x1 by a equals to y minus y1 by b equals to z minus z1 by c. Is this the symmetrical form of a line? So using these two equations, we are going to convert the unsymmetrical form of a line to symmetrical form, that is in this form. Okay, so if I get this as the equation of the line, okay, let it be a1 b1 c1. Okay, so now this x1 y1 z1 is a point on this line of intersection, right? So through the line of intersection the required plane is passing. Well, then through the plane also this point passes, right? So if this point is on the line, that is x1 comma y1 comma z1, through the same line the plane is also passing. So definitely this point also exists on the plane, right? So that is a point on the plane. So if you have to find the equation of a plane in one point form, what is the formula you use? That is one point form, not the formula, it is one point form. That is a into x minus x1 plus b into y minus y1 plus c into z minus z1 is equals to 0. Is this the one point form of a plane, 3D plane? Well, so now you know x1, y1, z1, that is this point. Now the only thing that you have to find out is a, b and c. Is that thing you have to find out. So now use the other clues. What is it? This line is lying on the plane. So the normal of the plane will be like this. Because this is the plane, the normal will be like this, right? Then the line is like this, passing through the plane. So perpendicular, you can use the perpendicular condition over here. Then you will use the perpendicular condition. These are the DRs of the line, right? So you will write it as a1 into a plus b1 into b, okay, plus c1 into c is equals to 0. Here you already know a1, b1, c1, right? Okay. A into a1 plus b into b1 plus c into c1 is equals to 0. Okay, this a1, b1, c1 you already knew from this symmetrical form of the line. Okay. So then you will get an equation in A, B, C, right? So after that, he has also given you another line. Okay. So this line you can write it as, if you divide the whole equation by 6. Okay. Then you will get it as x by 6 equals to y by 3 equals to z by 2. Right? Is that the thing? Okay. So you know the DRs of this line are 6, 3, 2. And he said that this line is parallel to the required plane. So the plane's normal will be like this because the plane is like this, right? Planes. And another line is parallel to this plane. Parallel means in the same direction. Perpendicular, you will use the same perpendicular condition, that is, okay, 6 into A plus 3 into B plus 2 into C. So you have got two equations. Now we are going to solve the two equations. You know how to solve the two equations. I have discussed it already in my previous class. Check it in the description box below. And then you'll get the values of A, B, C. You'll put it in this and you'll finally get the equation of the required plane. Okay. So now that is the homework problems procedure. If you want, you can try it also. Okay. Now let us discuss the problems of previous year JEE main advanced bits. Okay, so let's go quickly into that topic. So guys, now let us start the first problem. Okay, so the first problem, as you can see, is of 9th January shift 1, that is of 2019. Okay, in the year 2019. Okay, so now let us see this problem. Okay, if the lines x is equals to ay plus b, comma z is equals to cy plus d, and the other two lines are perpendicular, then what is the condition? We should look at the conditions, okay? So now let us take this first equation of the line. So what is that? Could you even think it that it is the equation of a line? It's somewhat different. We have to convert it into equation of the line. First, let us do it, okay? It is given that x is equals to ay plus b, comma z is equals to cy plus d. Okay. So now let me write the value of y. Okay. Here in this equation. What do I get? I get y is equals to x minus b by a. Okay. That is the value of y from this equation. Now from this equation, what is the value of y? Y is equals to z minus d by c. Is this the equation? Well, so from this, if I join both of them, I get the equation of the line. What is it? X minus b by a, that, x minus b by a, that is equals to y. This is equals to y. And the same y is equals to z minus d by c. That is equals to z minus d by c. Okay. So I can write it as 1. So that is the equation of the line over here. Now, let us look into the second equation, this one. In the same way, we have to convert this also. X is equals to a dash z plus b dash, and the other one is y is equals to c dash z plus d dash. Okay. So now, let me write the value of z from this equation. What I get? Z is equals to x minus b dash, I'm putting it over here, by a dash. Okay. So from this equation I get z is equals to y minus d dash by c dash. Okay. So that is it. Now if I combine both the equations, what do I get? I get z minus b dash by a dash is equals to y minus d dash by c dash is equals to z by 1, if you want. Okay, so that is it. So now we have got the two equations. These are the two equations over here now. Okay, so now he is telling that these two lines are perpendicular. Then you already know that these are the DRs of this line and these are the DRs of this line. Now what you have to do is you have to multiply both of them and you will get the dot product as 0. That is the only thing we have if they are perpendicular, right? The DRs. Okay, so then what do I write? A into a dash plus 1 into C dash plus C into C into 1 is equals to 0. Then what do I get? A dash plus C dash plus C is equals to 0. Okay, so this is the answer. Where is the option? A dash plus C dash equals to 0. So option C is the correct answer. Okay, so now let us look into problem number 2. Okay, so guys, now let us look into question number 2. Okay, so as you can see, this is the problem of AE 2000. Okay, 2008. Okay, 2008. Okay, that is the problem. So now let us look at the problem. The line passing through the points crosses the plane at the point. Okay, so that is the only information given. He has given you that the line passes through the 2 points. Now you have to find the first thing is equation of the plane. Equation of the line. Okay, how do you find it? You have got 2 points and from the 2 points you can find the drs of the line. Am I right? Okay, how do you do it now? You can do it as this is 5 comma 1 comma a. This is x1 comma y1 comma z1. Okay, and another point is 3 comma b comma 1. Okay, 3 comma b comma 1, that is x2 comma y2 comma z2. Okay, x2 y2 z2. And now you have to find the drs of that line. How do you do it? x2 minus x1, that is 3 minus 5 comma b minus 1 comma 1 minus a. Right? So that is minus 2 comma b minus 1 comma 1 minus a. Okay, these are the drs of the line. And you also can find the equation of the line now. How? Because you have one point and the drs. So what is the equation of the line? X minus x1. As x1 I have 2 points, I can take any of the point. Let me take 5 comma 1 comma a. Okay, so x minus 5 by minus 2 is equals to z minus y minus 1 by b minus 1 is equals to z minus a by 1 minus a. Okay, that is it. Okay, now he told you that this line crosses the YZ plane at this point. That is, the line passes through the YZ point at this point. Okay, so now because this point lies on this plane, this line, you can substitute that point in x, y and z, right? So let me do that first. In place of x, 0 minus 5 by minus 2 is equals to y. 17, okay, 17, not z. 17 minus 1 by, okay, sorry. 17 by 2 minus 1 by b minus 1 is equals to z is minus 13 by 2 minus a by 1 minus a. Okay, clear? So now you have to solve this equation to get the values of b and a. Okay, we'll do it. 5 by 2 is equals to, I'll cross multiply this. I'll get 15 by 2b minus 2. Okay, LCM, I have to take in the LCM. And then what do I get? 5 ones and 5 threes. So I'll cross multiply and I'll get 2b minus 2 is equals to 6. So 2b is equals to a and b is equals to 4. That is the first value that we have got. And now I have to find the value of a, right? So, so minus 5, okay, 5 by 2 is equals to minus 13 by 2 minus a by 1 minus a. Okay, so 5 by 2 is equals to minus 13 minus 2a by 2 minus 2a. Okay, now I have to cross multiply. Okay, and here I can also write this as 2 into 1 minus a, right? I'll cancel these 2's and I'll cross multiply. Okay, so 5 minus 5a is equals to 13 minus 2a. Okay, so now I will take this here and this here. Then I'll get 3a is equals to 5 minus 13. Okay, this is minus 13, right? So 5 plus 13. So A is equals to 6. So I have got the values of A and B. A is 6 and B is 4. This is 6. Okay, 6. A is 6 and B is 4. Where do I have the option? This is the one. So D is the correct answer. Okay. So now let us move into next question. Okay. So guys, now let us discuss problem number 3. As you can see, this is the problem of JEE Advanced 2010. Okay. So now let us do this problem. Equation of the plane containing the straight line. So the required plane contains this straight line. Okay. Contains this straight line and perpendicular to the plane, and the required plane is also perpendicular to one plane. So what is that plane? That plane contains the lines, these two lines. Okay, the lines. Okay, so the required plane is the required plane contains the straight line and is also perpendicular to this plane that contains these two lines. Okay. So the first thing we have to do is first find out the equation of the plane containing these two lines. Okay. So let us find that equation. So here we have these two lines, right? So you know the DRs of these two lines. Now let us find the DRs of this plane. Okay. So what is this? You have the line on the plane. Okay. And the plane is normal. Both these are perpendicular. Okay. Because if the plane is like this, the normal will be like this and the containing plane will be like this. They both are perpendicular. So let me use the perpendicular condition over here. Let me think that this plane's DRs are A, B, C. Then the equations I get are 3A plus 4B plus 2Z is equals to, 2C is equals to 0. And the other one is 4A plus 2B plus 3C is equals to 0. Right? So now by solving these two equations I get A, B, C. How do I get it? I'll solve the two equations also for you. 4, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4, 2. Okay. Okay. So now I get A by 12 minus 4 is equals to B by 8 minus 9. That is equals to C by 6 minus 16. Am I right? So 6 minus 16, 8 minus 9, 12 minus 4. Okay. So now I get A by 12 minus 4 is 8. That is equals to B by minus 1. That is equals to C by minus 10. Okay. So the DRs of the plane, of this plane, not the required plane, of this plane which is perpendicular to the required plane, are 8 comma minus 1 comma minus 10. Okay. The DRs of this plane. Okay. So I want only that. Remaining all I can erase off. Okay. I'll erase that. And now the first condition that I have got about the required plane. What is it? That is, the plane contains this straight line, right? The plane contains this straight line. That is, the lines DRs and the line and the normal of the plane, of the required plane, are perpendicular, right? So let me apply the same perpendicular condition. Okay, now let me think. A dash, B dash, C dash are the DRs of the required plane. Then I get 2A dash plus 3B dash plus 4C dash is equals to 0. Okay. And now he already told that the required plane is perpendicular to this plane. So the required planes DRs and the perpendicular planes DRs, normal DRs. Now I can apply the perpendicular condition to both those. Now what do I get? 8A dash minus 1 into B dash plus of minus 10 into C dash is equals to 0. Okay. So now in the same process I'll find A dash, B dash, C dash. So how do I do it? 3, 4, 2, 3 and minus 1, minus 10, 8, minus 1. Okay, so a dash by minus 30 plus 4 minus of minus plus 4 is equals to b dash by 32 plus 20 minus okay, minus into minus plus that is equals to c dash by minus 2 minus 24. Okay, now what do I get? A dash by 26 minus 26 is equals to b dash by 52 is equals to c dash by minus 26. Okay, then if I take the simplest ratio of all those, what do I get? I get 1 comma 2 minus 2 comma 1. Okay, or I can write it as it is minus 1 comma 2 comma minus 1. How did I get that? The simplest ratio, that is I divided all the DRs with 26. Okay, DRs are the ratios, so I can take the ratio, simplest ratio. Okay, so these are the DRs. 1 comma minus 2 comma 1 or minus 1 comma 2 comma minus 1. Okay, so now I'll take this pair, both are same because they are ratios. So I'll take this pair and now I want the plane containing this straight line. Because the required plane is containing this straight line, the point through which this line passes through, from the same point the required plane also passes, right? So this line passes through 0 comma 0 comma 0 because I can write it as x minus 0, y minus 0 and z minus 0, right? So the 1 point form of the line is a into x minus x1 plus b into y minus y1 plus c into z minus z1 is equals to 0. Am I right? So now I know a, b, c, that is 1 comma minus 2 comma 1, right? So 1 into x minus horizon 0 plus b is minus 2 into y minus 0 plus 1. 1 into z minus 0 is equals to 0. Okay, so I get x minus 2y plus z is equals to 0. This is the equation of the required plane. Now where's that? Where's that option? X minus 2y plus z equals to 0. It is option C. So that is the correct answer. Option C. Okay. So now let us move into problem number 4. So guys, now this is question number 4. So this is your homework problem as it is mentioned here, and it is a question of JEE Mains, okay, in 2019. So you should do this problem. You can try it, okay, mostly try the problem. You can easily crack this problem, okay. This is based on the models we have discussed previously, okay. So you can do the problem. If you have got the answer, you can also put it in the comment sections, okay. If you have not got that also, no problem. In my next class I am going to tell how to solve this problem, okay, and then you will know how to solve the problem. But definitely try it, don't leave it, try it, okay. If you have not got also, no problem, but definitely try, do try the problem, okay. So that is it for today. So like the video and share it. Also subscribe to my channel, okay. So I have placed the links of my previous videos in the description box below, so you can check in that and if you can see all the videos that you have missed, okay. So also if you want some other topic to be taught next, you can put it in the comment section below. I'll teach that topic. So in my next class I'll come with some other new topic, some other new chapter. We are going to start a new chapter, okay. So thank you for now. Meet you in my next class. Bye bye.